Hello everybody, my name is Greg LaRossa. I work for MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. I'm here to introduce you to the 2020 Grady-White 336 Canyon. This is the true pedigree of the Grady-White. Has a CV2 hull. It's a beast. 11.7 beam, twin 425s. This boat goes 56 miles an hour at wide open throttle. As you can see, these 425s, they're massive. Coming aboard, you can see it has triple Helm chairs with twin live wells, prep station, dive door on the side, aft seat, huge refrigerated box with temperature control for ice or refrigerator. Walking around up to the helm, you can see this boat is equipped with Helmmaster. It does have set point, does have AC at the helm. Windshield goes all the way up to the hardtop. As you can see, it's a massive hardtop. It has a power out ventilated windshield for air. Walking up front to the bow, you can see this has forward seating with backrest, windlass, and a seat above in front of the helm chair. As you can see, going into the cabin, it has teak and holly floors. Now inside, you can see it has AC temperature controls, your AC DC panel for your generator. Again, it has Helm AC and cabin AC. This is the bed that sleeps two very comfortably with plenty of storage, prep sink, and this also powers up into a sofa as well. Again, looking back from the helm, you can see how big this cockpit is with this massive 11.7 beam. Again, the 425s, you can see they're spread out, so when you put them one in reverse, one in forward, one in reverse, it spins on a dime. Not to mention you have the Helmmaster control, which is the joystick. Come visit me, Greg LaRossa, at MarineMax Gulf Shores to come see this 336 Canyon.